Hi everyone, my name is Josephine Fong. I am the Legal Operations Manager at Branch. We're a global company currently experiencing hypergrowth, and because of that, we are building our contract workflows with standardization in mind. So today, I'm going to show you a little bit about our current Branch MSA workflow build. Let me walk you through some of my thinking when I'm building out this workflow. The best thing that you can do is offer your sales rep an easy path to getting a contract template. Let's keep it simple. Tell me about your team. Let's go through the effective date, which is auto-populated already. Let me know if there's additional reviewers needed. Going into the customer information, tell me a little bit about the account that we're trying to close, the legal name we have. All of this stuff is important, but also very simple. In our signature authority section, it's going to ask some main questions. Give me the name and the email of the signer, and that's pretty much it. Do they need a wet signature, or do they need a branch stamp? Pretty straightforward. Keeping those questions very simple. Again, I want to just kind of repeat here that the whole goal is to standardize this contract, meaning we have approved language for something like governing law. So let me zoom in on governing law here. In talking with our legal team, we can standardize this clause and we can show our AEs things or states and venues that are already approved, i.e. California, etc. But let's say we want to make this more international and add an international entity like Singapore. Let me show you how to do that. Simple, straightforward. Go ahead and hit edit in Workflow Designer. Come to the clause that you actually care about. Paste in that language. Boom. Now, what's our condition? What kind of language do we want to place into our templates? Very straightforward. Let me show you how to do this. I'm going to add this condition and say whenever governing law is Singapore. Let's take a look at what that looks like in preview. So if I come in, select sales, and I'm choosing governing law is California, I'll show you what this looks like. There's already a standard response for when governing law is California. But if, let's say, for example, we want to change that to Singapore, voila. And it's helpful here because preview allows us to see what that looks like before we even release it into the wild. Publish. That's all I have on this demo. The ultimate end goal here is to build a workflow that's going to shorten the contract negotiation time. Our aim here is to shorten it from 5 to 7 business days down to 3 to 5 business days. But again, if you have any feedback for me to improve this process, to improve this workflow, I'd love to keep iterating on this. Obviously, I love Ironclad. So let's do this. Reach out to me. Thank you.